Midshipman Alperes. Rule 9. Narrow channel. So, A. A vessel proceeding along the course of a narrow channel or fairway shall keep as near to the outer limit of the channel or fairway which lies on her starboard side as is safe and practicable. B. A vessel of less than 20 meters in length or a sailing vessel shall not impede the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within a narrow channel or fairway. C. So ito. A vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any other vessel navigate within a narrow channel or fairway. D. A vessel shall not cross a narrow channel or fairway if such crossing impedes the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only when within such channel or fairway. The latter vessel may use the sound signal prescribed in Rule 34. uh, D. If in doubt as to the intention of the crossing vessel. E. 1. In a narrow channel or fairway, when overtaking can take place only if the vessel to be overtaken has to take action to permit safe passing. The vessel intending to overtake shall indicate her intention by sounding the appropriate signal prescribed in Rule 34. E. The vessel to be overtaken shall, if in agreement, sound the appropriate signal prescribed in Rule 34 and, take step to permit safe passing. If in doubt, she may sound the signal prescribed in Rule 34. This rule does not relieve the overtaken vessel or her obligation under Rule 13. F. A vessel nearing a bed or an area of a narrow channel or fairway where other vessel may be obscured by an interviewing obstruction shall navigate when with particular alertness and occasion and should sound the appropriate signal prescribed in Rule 34. G. Any vessel shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid anchoring in a narrow channel